Techie Flanders here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a MySQL database using WAMP server. Okay, let us get started. So you open your WAMP server by clicking on this. As you can see, I have already opened mine and the icon is green, meaning all services have been started and it's working. So when you click on the icon, you go to PHP My Admin. Okay, click on that and wait for it to load. When it opens here, you can see username is root, then password we can leave blank, and this is my SQL database. So click on go. Then inside here, you are able to see on the left there are databases that have been created already, and now you want to create a new database. So you click on new here, and when you click on new, you can see the option here, create database. Here you give the database the name that you want to give it. For instance, let us call our database as employees or workers. Maybe you want a database for your workers, so you call it workers. Then collation, here you can choose whichever one that you like, whichever that is compatible with your system, but I just like to leave it the way it is. You can just leave it that way. Then click on create. Database has been created. You have a database here called workers, and as you can see, this database is empty. It has no tables, and we are going to be able to create tables in the next video. Thank you for watching and for learning how to create the database with me. And we have a new database here called workers. In the next video, we are going to create the tables. Thank you, and like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.